And my Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Muhammadi bin Jaluddin and my group teammates name is Fabian Lobalan. So today we're gonna present about our mini project steel product manufacturing process. So the mini project introduction, we focus on visualizing the end-to-end steel production process at Mass Steel. Objective to understand material preparation to the final product. Introduction to the company. Company name is Malaysia Steelwork KL Berhad, commonly known as Mass Steel. Industry, steel manufacturing, one of Malaysia's most reputable manufacturers. Core focus is production of high tensile steel bars and prime steel billets. Importance, supplies essential materials for constructions, infrastructure, and industrial sectors. This is the system flowchart. So we starting with password and then to the main menu. In main menu got three process: production process, quality control, introduction, and logistic management. So this is the example of these three. On production process, we got raw material preparation, marketing. Sorry, I cannot see it. Melting process, refining and declaration, rolling mill process, and then pulling and cutting. So after that, we go to the quality control. QC will make inspection of the product. After finish and the product okay, so we go to logistic management for packaging and labeling. So now we proceed to Fabian Lalo Balan to give present.
Thank you, Madi. So next we will go to the programming flowchart. So as we can see here, this is the programming flowchart uh, for more understanding. Wait, wait. As we can see here, uh, we start from the start, and then we go to the output and so on. So this is the example of the programming flowchart. So next one is source code. So as we can see here, uh, in this green section, which is we can see the max attempt. So what it is mean by max attempt? So max attempt max attempt is define the maximum number of password attempt 3. So which mean the password only can attempt 3 times. And then the below is the password. So the password to enter this programming is that I set, which is programming. And then lastly is the delay irritation. So delay irritation is function to simulate time delays, making the program output more readable by pausing execution. And then we move to the function declaration. So this prototype for all function used in the program, ensuring they are known before they are called, which means this is the system in the programming. Uh, as we can see here, this is the main. So what it is mean by main? Main is the entry point of the program. It prints out a welcome message for the steel manufacturing and inventory management system. And then uh, and this is the example of the programming. So we move to the result of the output. So as we can see here, this is the output from the coding that we have been key in or maybe code. So in figure 1, so this is the display input for password and display menu. And the second one is the display option, the production process for preparing raw material and melting raw material. Next one is the programming. The program demonstrate the heating, rolling, and cutting stage of steel production, ensuring the steel reaches the required temperature before being successful formed and cut into standardized 12-meter length. Next one is this is the completion of steel cutting simulation. The process successful produced 24 slot of 12-meter steel and 24 slot of 6-meter steel, concluding the steel cooling and cutting operation. And the next one is the quality control inspection. Initiate the process by showing the selection of option 2. This action triggers a quality control inspection module. The output inspecting product for quality and defects. Inspection complete. All units passes signifies a critical phase where product undergo scrutiny to ensure they meet specific standard. The all unit passes message indicates a successful quality assurance check, suggesting readiness for the next stage in the supply chain. This step is fundamental for maintaining product integrity and customer satisfaction. The next one is the logistic management. It is indicate the section of option 3. These activities is called the logistic management, as we can see on this screen. So it is highlight the preparation of approved product for distribution. This phase encompasses initial tasks like proper packaging to prevent damage during transit and accurate labeling for efficient sorting and delivering. The completion message confirms that the products are now ready for dispatch, marking the transition from internal processing to external movement. And then lastly is the exiting program. So it is a standard practice for program to provide a clear exit mechanism, often accompanied by a polite closing message indicating that all operations have been completed or the user has chosen to end the session. And then next one will give to my friend Madi.
Okay, thank you, Fabian Alo. Now we go to the financial budget. So this is the financial budget that must still got. This slide combines a table of financial data for several months with a stacked bar chart to effectively highlight key budget components. So the conclusion that we got is that this mini project offer a comprehensive look into steel making operation from raw materials to final product. It highlight how this leading Malaysian producer, vital for national infrastructure and regional export, integrates advanced technology like electric arc furnace and automated rolling mills and sophisticated computer systems for quality control, logistic and optimized production. Analyzing financial data reveal Mastil's robust health despite profit fluctuation, demonstrating its resilience. Overall, the project successfully bridged classroom knowledge with real-world industrial practice, emphasizing the critical blend of engineering, technology, and business of success in the global manufacturing sector. So, this is the last of our present. Thank you, Madam Johara, for give opportunity to us to learn more about company. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, Madam.
Thank you, Madi.
Thank you, Lalo.